Okay, so lastly, this is going to go through E with the copper and the nitrate ion. So we've got copper and copper here. So the skeletal equation is going to start with this. And we just need to go through these steps to balance this half reaction. Key elements are fine. We've got 1 copper on both sides, no oxygens, no hydrogens. Electrons, overall charge of 2+ on this side. So I need to bring that down by 2 electrons because it's a charge of 0 on this side. Now it is a charge of 0 on this side, so that's good. And now I just need to add my states. So aqueous and solid. So the states are done. Okay, so now my other half equation here, NO there. Okay, so key elements, I have 1 nitrogen there, 1 nitrogen there, so that's good. Oxygen, I've got 3 and I've got 1, and so I need to have 2 more oxygens on this side, so I'm going to add 2 waters. So 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 oxygen, that's balanced. Hydrogens, I've got 4 hydrogens on this side, so I'm going to have to add 4 hydrogens to this side. Okay, so that's done. Now electrons, 4 minus 1 is plus 3, and on this side, overall charge of 0. So I'm going to have to add 3 electrons to this side to bring it down to 0, so that the charges are the same. And our last step is to add the states. So we have aqueous, aqueous, gas, liquid. Now just check, I've got an oxidation reaction here, I've got a reduction equation here, so we know we're on the right track. So I need to have 1 oxidation and 1 reduction. Okay, now before I add my half equations together, I need to make sure my electrons are the same value, and they're not at the moment, so I think about what number is the smallest number that both 3 and 2 go into, and that would be 6. So I'm going to multiply everything here by 2 to get that to 6, and I'm going to multiply everything here by 3 to get that to 6. So 3 copper ions plus 6 electrons. 8H plus 2NO3 minus plus 6 electrons, 2NO plus 6 plus 4 water. Good, so now I'm ready to add my equations together because my electrons are the same. So 3 copper, now I'm just going to focus on all my reactants here. 8H plus 2NO3 minus 6 electrons. Now I'm going to focus on all my products. 3Cu. Okay, so now I need to cancel out my electrons and cancel out any H pluses or any waters. Now H plus, there's no H pluses on this side, so I have to leave them all there, and there's no waters on this side, so I have to leave all those waters there. So I'm just going to rewrite my equation and write in my states at the same time. And that is it for that question. Liquid for the water.